In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a visitors counter to your Shopify store seamlessly. This is a great way to keep track of how many visitors you receive, providing valuable insights into your store's performance and helping you make informed decisions. So, let's dive in and get started. First off, head over to My Apps in the Elfsight dashboard. This is the platform we'll use to create and manage your visitors counter widget. Once you're there, locate the catalog. This is the collection of all available apps and widgets you can use to customize and enhance your website. Next, you'll want to use the search bar effectively. Type in visitor and press enter. This will bring up a list of relevant widgets within the catalog. From this list, look for the visitor counter app. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the visitor counter option. This will open up a page where you can view more details and configurations about the widget. Now that you've selected the visitor counter, it's time to choose a template that matches your store's aesthetic. You'll find several options available, each offering distinct styles and features. Pick one that best reflects your brand's look and feel. Once you've settled on a design, click on Continue with this template. With the template selected, you're given the opportunity to make further customizations. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Click on the Info option if you want to modify the textual details of your counter. For visual customizations, click on Style. This allows you to adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to make sure everything aligns perfectly with your store's design guidelines. After making all your preferred edits, click on the Publish button. This will get your widget ready to be integrated onto your Shopify store. When prompted, you can select the free plan to proceed without any additional costs. Once you've confirmed the plan by clicking on Select, copy the generated code. Now let's switch gears and head over to your Shopify admin panel. Within your Shopify dashboard, click on the Online Store option from the navigation menu and select Customize to open the theme editor. Here you can visualize how the visitor counter will appear on your live store. To add the visitors counter, click on Add section within the theme editor's sidebar. From the list of available sections, select Custom Liquid, which allows you to input the custom script or code. Finally, paste the code you copied earlier into the provided space and hit Save. By doing so, you're ensuring that the visitors counter is now active on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a visitors counter into your Shopify store. It's ready to provide you with real-time analytics, helping you gauge engagement and track visitor activity. Thanks for following along and happy selling.